Now the fourth one is the sum of two integers is minus 20. Sum of, in the question given, the sum of two integers. Sum of two integers is minus 20. Sum of two integers is minus 20 if one of them is 65. Find the other. Okay. Fourth number question is the sum of two integers is minus 20. Full stop. If one of them is 65, find the other. Okay. क्या दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में? गिवन है दो इंटीजर का सम माइनस 20 है, वन ऑफ देम इज, उनमें से एक 65 है, तुम्हें दूसरा बताना है. एक चीज और, इफ द वीडियो इज टू फास्ट एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू राइट डाउन ऑन योर नोटबुक, जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो, write down on your notebook, then again resume the video. Okay, so do this question. Sum of two integer is minus 20. One of them is 65. Given in question, given what? One integer is given, taken as a is equals to 65. Find the other. We don't know what is the other value. Let b is the other integer. B is the other integer and we have to find this value. Okay, so just try to understand what is written in the question, and according to the question just write down what have written in the question. The sum of two integers, what is the integers? One is a and other is b. Sum means plus. The sum of two integer is means equal to, the sum of integer is equal to minus 20. Minus 20 is given in the question, so a plus b is equals to minus 20. It is according to the question. Okay, a plus b is equals to minus 20. Now we know the value of a. What is a? 65. And what is the value of b? We have to find this value, so plus b is equals to minus 20. Now how we solve this problem? So this 65 plus this implies, if this is plus 65, now this is plus 65, if we take this value from left to right side, then the sign will be changed. Okay, here this is plus 65, and if we took here from here, then the sign is changed. Okay, remember always, when this is left hand side and this is right hand side, whenever the value of left hand side go to the right hand side, the sign of the value will be changed. Okay, जब भी कोई वैल्यू लेफ्ट से राइट में जाएगी तो वैल्यू का साइन चेंज होगा. सो दिस इज प्लस 65. सो इस 65 को हम इस साइड लेके जाएंगे, सो ये हो जाएगा b इज इक्वल्स टू minus 20 and this is plus 65. So on this side this will become minus 65. Okay, or in simple way we also do in this way, like always try to make this unknown value alone. So how this value will be alone? So this 65, if this 65 become 0, then this b will alone. So how this 65 be 0? How will this 65 be 0? If we subtract minus 65 here, so this one is 0 plus b. And according to mathematics rule, if we subtract this value on this side, so we also make subtraction on this side. So this one is minus 20 minus 65. Okay, जो प्रोसेस हम इस साइड करेंगे वही प्रोसेस को हमें इस साइड भी करना है. सो 65 माइनस 65. क्यों हमने ऐसा किया? क्योंकि हमें b की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी थी. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ b by making this 65 to 0. So how this 65 is 0? We just take the opposite sign of this 65 here and also here. So this one becomes 0 here. This is 0 plus b is equal to minus 20 and minus 65. Both are integers and both are of same sign. So simply we add these two values. So 65 plus 20 is 85 and we put the sign. What is the sign here? Minus. So this is minus 85. So value of b is equals to minus 85 and this is your answer. Okay. So just write down on your notebook. Any one of you have doubt in this question? If you have any doubt, then please ask me through a message or a call. Okay. So write down quickly. Now we can solve this problem in other way also. From here, a plus b is minus 20. In the question, value of a is given, which is 65. 65 plus b is equals to minus 20. Okay. Either you can go through this method or also through this method. Which one is easy for you? You can go through that method. Okay. So this is 65 plus b is equals to minus 20. And just try to understand here what we will do here. This one is positive sign. Okay. If this positive sign comes from, this one is left hand side and this one is the right hand side. This is the left side and this is the right side, equal to. Okay. So if the value go from left side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, so the sign of the number is changed. Okay, sign of the number will be changed. So मैं यहाँ से ये वैल्यू को यहाँ लेके जा रहा हूँ. So ये हो जाएगा b. ये वैल्यू इस तरफ चला गया तो ये b क्या हो जाएगा? b will be alone. Now b is equals to what? Minus 20. b is equals to minus 20 and this 65 go to this side. So this one is plus. इस साइड जाएगा तो वैल्यू, साइन ऑफ द वैल्यू विल बी चेंज. सो दिस वन इज minus 65 and the value of b is minus 85. This is the answer. So both are same. Okay, you have to solve through any of the method, either through this method or either through this method. Now to the next question, you just pause the video and write down your notebook, then again resume the video. Now come to the next question, which is question number 5, and try to solve by your own way. The question is sum of two integer is, question is sum of two integer is, sum of two integer is 45. 45. One of them is 21. Find other. Find other. So according to the question, what is given? Just try to understand the question by reading it. What is given? Sum of two integer. We don't know the value of integer. Sum of two integer. Take it. One integer is one of the integer is a and other integer is b. Now according to the question, sum of two integer. Here one integer is a and other one is b. So a plus b is equals to 45. A plus b is equal to 45. Now read the next part of the question. One of them is 21. So one of them is 21. In the question, one integer's value is given, which is a. Value of a is what? 21. Value of a is what? 21. One of the integer is given. Put this value here. 21 plus find other. We don't know the value of b. So this is 21 plus b is equal to 45. Now this is the left hand side. This one is the right hand side. If we take this value from left to right, the sign of the value will be changed. So here this is plus 21. If it go to the other side, the sign of this plus 21 will be minus 21, and this b will be alone here. So this b is equal to 45. This plus 21 will become minus 21 if it go through the other side. So b is equal to 45 minus 21 is equal to 24, and this is your answer. This 24 is your answer. Okay. So this is the question number 5, and try to solve all problems on your copy. And this is the end of the video, and we will meet in the next class to further solve of the question, next question. Okay, so thank you.